Etsy sellers split clean in two, the ones running on instinct and the ones running on data. The Etsy financial tool is for the second kind. It is a workbook you own. No subscription, no seat, no service that quietly starts charging when your shop grows. Open it, paste in your listings, and it starts doing arithmetic you would otherwise be doing in your head at 11 at night. It runs the same way in Excel on Windows, Excel on a Mac, Google Sheets, and LibreOffice, because every formula in it uses functions all four of them share. If you would rather work in Sheets, there is a one-click link in your download that gives you your own native copy, not an import, a real Google Sheet. Download your monthly statement from Etsy, paste it into the Import tab, and the Reports tab totals it by month: revenue, fees and taxes, expenses, and what is actually left. In the example, $116.55 of revenue comes back as $62.67 net. Change the year at the top, and every row follows. The dashboard pulls it together. How many listings are losing money? How many are on a thin margin? Your average margin, where every dollar of a sale actually goes, broken out line by line. Nothing to fill in. It follows the other tabs. It is an instant download, and it is yours. The formulas are visible, the settings are exposed, nothing is locked, and there is no subscription. Etsy changes its fees from time to time, and they differ by country. When that happens, you edit one cell on the Setup tab, and the whole workbook follows. Own it, don't rent it.